The drama inside the Big Brother 27 house has reached another boiling point as Week 10 officially takes shape following the latest Power of Veto competition. With so much tension surrounding the nominations, alliances hanging by a thread, and a double eviction looming in the near future, every competition at this stage of the game has massive implications. This week's head of household already shook the game by putting two big names on the block. But the Power of Veto always has the potential to flip the script entirely, and fans have been anxiously waiting to see how it all played out. The Power of Veto is always crucial, but in Week 10 it carries even greater weight because the endgame is in sight. With just a handful of house guests left, every move could determine who has a real path to the finale and who will become jury-bound. The Who this week had to make a difficult call with their nominations, and naturally the house has been buzzing with speculation and strategy. Whispers, secret meetings, and late-night plotting filled the air before the veto competition began. Everyone knew that winning this veto could make or break their chances of survival. As spoilers have revealed, the Week 10 Power of Veto competition has been completed and the results are in. The competition itself was high intensity, filled with both physical and mental elements, designed to test street demeanor, focus, and the ability to perform under pressure. Several house guests came in with clear motivations. The nominees were fighting for their lives, the Who was determined to keep control, and the rest of the players saw the veto as either a shield or a weapon to advance their own endgame agenda. In the end, it was veto winner's name who emerged victorious in this critical Week 10 competition. This win sent shockwaves through the house because of what it means for the nominations and for the balance of power moving forward. The outcome has left some house guests thrilled, others devastated, and everyone scrambling to adjust their strategies. The veto winner now has the power to either keep the nominations the same or save one of the nominees, forcing the Who to put up a replacement. With so few players left in the game, every replacement nominee option carries major consequences, making this one of the most intense weeks yet. The big question immediately turned to what veto winner's name plans to do with the power. Will they use it to save themselves if they're on the block, which seems most likely, or will they shock the house by taking down an ally and daring the Who to make an even bigger move? Early conversations in the house suggest that deals are already being floated. Promises of safety, jury votes, and future loyalty are being thrown around as everyone scrambles to secure their place in the game. If the veto is used, the Who will face one of their most difficult choices yet. Replacement nominees at this stage can fracture alliances, ignite betrayals, and reshape the final stretch of the season. Some fans are already speculating that we could see the end of a once powerful alliance if the Who is forced to nominate someone they never intended to put on the block. Meanwhile, other house guests are considering whether they should flip their votes depending on who ends up as the final nominees on eviction night. The fallout from the veto win has been dramatic inside the house. Emotions are running high, with some players celebrating their safety while others are furious that their plans have been derailed. The game talk has reached a fever pitch as the house guests scramble to make sense of what the Who and the veto winner will ultimately decide. In the diary room, players have been brutally honest about their frustrations, fears, and hopes for the upcoming eviction. The game has officially entered survival mode and no one feels completely safe. For the fans watching along, this week's developments have made for must-see television. Social media has exploded with reactions to the veto results, with fans debating whether the Who made the right nominations and speculating on how the veto decision will play out. Some viewers are thrilled that the game is finally shaking up after weeks of predictable outcomes, while others worry that their favorite player could be in real danger if the veto is used in a surprising way. One of the most interesting aspects of this week is how the jury will perceive these moves. At this stage, the house guests are not just playing to survive, they are also building their case to the jury, who will ultimately decide the winner of Big Brother 27. Winning the veto is a huge resume booster, but how the power is used will either strengthen or weaken that resume depending on how it impacts the final weeks. Choosing to save an ally or keep nominations the same can completely reshape how future jurors view a player's loyalty, strategy, and ability to control the game. Looking ahead, the eviction this week promises to be explosive. The veto meeting will lock in the final nominees, and then it will be up to the house guests to cast their votes. With the house divided and emotions at an all-time high, we could be heading toward one of the most dramatic evictions of the season. Players who have been floating under the radar are suddenly being forced into the spotlight, while bigger targets are realizing that their luck may have finally run out. This is the point in Big Brother where the phrase, "expect the unexpected," truly comes to life. Alliances can crumble overnight, promises can be broken in an instant, and even the closest of friendships can't withstand the pressure of a $500,000 prize on the line. Week 10 has delivered on all fronts with tension, strategy, and a power of veto result that is guaranteed to shake up game. For now, fans will have to wait and see what happens at the veto meeting and how the Who responds if forced to name a replacement nominee. What's certain is that the final stretch of Big Brother 27 is set to be filled with shocking twists, blindsides, and unforgettable moments as the remaining House guests battle for their place in the finale. The veto win in week the 10th of May very well go down as one of the most pivotal moments of the season, and it leaves the door wide open for chaos in the days ahead. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.